Hello, girl. Beautiful. What's your name?
Châm.
Chum. Okay, Chum. How old are you?
I'm 8.
8 years old. Very nice. So now you can see there's a lot of color here. Can you tell me what is the color of this? Red. Okay. How about this?
It's black.
It's black. How about this?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. And how about this?
White.
White. And this?
Purple.
Purple. Oh, you're so nice. Okay, now next. How about this? Do you know?
It's crayon.
It's a crayon. Okay. This?
That
Desk. And how about this?
is notebook.
Notebook. Oh, no doubt you're so good. And then this, do you know what is this? It's a plane. Plane.
Post.
This one is robot.
Robot.
And this is
Balloon.
balloon. Oh, very nice. So we move to the family member. Do you know who is she?
It's sister.
Sister. How about her?
Mom.
Mom, how about her?
Grandma.
Grandmother. And how about him?
It's brother.
Brother. How about him?
Dad.
Dad. And how about him?
It's grandpa.
Grandfather. Wow, you're doing really great job. And then I would like to show you and ask you about this. What the number is this?
4.
4. Very nice. How about this?
8.
8. Okay, how about this?
It's 10.
10. Okay, I'm so happy. How about this?
3.
3. How about this?
1.
Okay, you are such a smart girl. So let's move to the other topic, which is alphabetic. I'm gonna show you my slide. And do you know what is this? How about this? How you pronounce it?
Nosy.
Nose. Yes. How about this?
Octopus.
It's octopus. Okay, very nice. How about this?
Mango.
Mango. And how about this? Do you know how to pronounce it? Juice.
Juice.
It's a juice. Okay. And this?
Horse.
Horse. I'm gonna check about this.
Egg.
Egg. And this?
Farm.
Thumb. How about this?
Fish.
Fish. Oh my God. You're so good. How about this?
It's dog.
Dog. And this?
Cat.
Cat. Okay. How about this?
Duck.
Okay. You're so nice, Tia. She is so good. I really like her too.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Con.
Goodbye.